Yoga stretches near the open fire. Yeah. Coach Zach here. Picture this. You're sitting at home, a storm is brewing, you got your fireplace roaring, you're nice and cozy, and you want to do some yoga. So then you go to YouTube, you type in Criticalbench at home yoga, this video comes up, and you get yourself your at home flexibility flow yoga right in the comfort of your own home. So we'll get started on our backs. On our backs, we'll hug the knees in towards your chest. Just give yourself a hug and rock from side to side a few times. Maybe draw some circles with the knees. And then we'll bring the feet down. So we'll start our practice with a little bridge flow. So starting with bridge, first you want to flatten your low back down to the earth. All 10 toes point forward, hug your shoulder blades together. Keep that tailbone tucked. Back is flat on the ground. From here, you're going to press down into the feet, lift up through the hips as you reach your arms up and overhead. And on your exhale, slowly come down with the hips, one vertebra at a time, as you bring your arms back by your sides. Inhale, lift through the hips, reach up through the arms. Maybe at the end of your inhale, you want to lift up on the balls of the feet. Exhale, slowly roll down. Tailbone comes down last, and then the heels follow. Just begin to move at your own pace. Inhale to rise. Exhale to lower. Do a couple more. Last one. From here, we'll heel toe the feet so they're wider than your hips, probably around the edges of your mat if you're on a mat. Reach the arms up overhead, and we'll windshield wiper the legs from side to side. So just let the legs fall over to the right. You can look over the left shoulder. Back to center, inhale, exhale to the left, maybe look over the right shoulder. Again, just find the rhythm of your breath. You can close your eyes and just let your body move with your breath. Just do a couple more. Next time you come to center, we'll hold, realign the hips and the spine. We'll heel toe the feet so they're back in line with your hips. And we'll hug the right knee in towards chest. And then cross that ankle over the thigh. Take a second to push that knee away. Now from here, we're going to keep the legs exactly as they are. So keep this right ankle stacked over the thigh just as it is. From here, we'll take a breath in and we'll exhale, lower the leg over to the left. You want to bring the bottom of this foot down to the earth. So you want to keep this knee pointing up. Keep this right shoulder down. From here, you can kind of slide that leg maybe a little further up the thigh. Maybe if it feels right for you, you can kind of let that leg fall forward. You can grab this ankle or foot with the hand. First option is you can just hang out here, deep breaths. If you want to go a little bit more, you can take this right hand and reach for this foot. Take some deep breaths here. If you want to go a little further, you can take this arm, reach it up and over to the right. Just take some deep breaths. If you're feeling it at all in the knee joint, then you want to relax and release a little bit. You don't want to be feeling it in the knee as much as feeling it in the hips or the legs. Your knee might be here and it might be really tight. That's fine. So maybe you're here, maybe you're just in the first level when you're just hanging out here. I'm just offering different options. Don't force yourself into any shape if it's not comfortable. Just go as far as your body will let you. Just take a few more breaths here. On your next inhale, we'll slowly come back up, just the way we came. So that ankle's still over the thigh. Take a moment to press that leg away. And then we'll bring the knee in towards chest. From here, you can stay here. I want you to try to breathe into your thigh. So expand your belly into your leg as best as you can. You can keep this leg bent, or you can begin to straighten it out. Deep breaths. Relax your shoulders down towards the earth. Again, breathing into your leg. Just a couple more breaths. And then from here, we'll come into a twist. So keeping this leg as it is, we'll grab the leg with the left hand. You're gonna keep your right shoulder down to the ground, maybe even reach that arm out to the side. We'll take a breath in, and on your exhale, just begin to twist, bringing this right leg across your body over to the left, maybe letting that leg kind of straighten out. If it's too uncomfortable, you can place a pillow or a prop under this leg. You can let the foot rest down. Make sure this right shoulder's not coming up, so you want to keep that right shoulder down. Just take some breaths here. Maybe for some of you, you can grab that foot. This is definitely more advanced, so don't force it. Just a couple more breaths. Then slowly come back the way we came. Hug that knee in. One more deep breath into the belly. Try to expand into the thigh. And then we'll lower the foot down, straighten out that leg. We'll reach the arms up overhead. Point your toes, make yourself as long as possible. Deep breath in, stretch long. Exhale, arms back by your side. Bend the knees. From here, we'll hug the left knee in towards chest. And then cross it over the right thigh. Take a second to push that leg away. And then again, from here, you want to keep your legs as they are. Take a breath in. On your exhale, just let the legs fall over to the right. Keep this left shoulder down. And maybe for some of you, this is enough. You might feel it in this outer hip. You might feel it down on this right thigh, this right quad. If you want to go a little bit more, you can bend this leg a little more and grab it with the left foot. You can even point this left knee towards the front. Maybe take this right arm, reach it up and over to the left. Never forcing anything, just taking it to where it goes. Deep breaths. See if you can soften a little more into it. Relax the muscles in your face, around your eyes, your lips, your jaw. Take a few more breaths here. And we'll slowly come back. Release the foot if you have it. Bring the legs back the way that they were. So ankle stays crossed. Take a second, push that leg away. We'll bring that left knee in towards chest. Again, breathe into this thigh, so expand your belly into the thigh. You can keep this leg bent or begin to extend. Couple more breaths. From here, we'll come into that twist. So right arm reaches across the body, grabs that left leg, take a breath in. On your exhale, we'll twist. Left shoulder stays down. So bring that right leg over, or left leg over to the right. Again, you can let that leg extend. You can reach that arm out to the side. Maybe you grab that foot, the hand. Don't force it. Couple more breaths. Now slowly bring that leg back. Hug it back in towards the chest. Breathe into the thigh. Relax that foot down, straighten out the leg. Reach the arms up, point your toes, stretch into a long line. And then from here, you can go about the rest of your day, or you can get ready to go to bed, do whatever you want. Well, there you have it, a little follow along yoga sequence. Maybe you did it by the fire, you did it in the rain. Regardless, thank you for joining me. Go ahead and check out the many other videos we have on this channel regarding yoga, yoga flows, yoga sequences, breaking down yoga postures, breathing, which is a big part in yoga. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell. As always, I'm Coach Zach, and I'll see you next time. Namaste. Yeah.